Hi, and welcome back. Can you believe we're already a month into the new year? Well, if you're like so many of us, you're already on your way to achieving some of your New Year's resolution goals. So here are just a few tips to help you along your way. If you take out your insurance card, you can call the free 800 number to reach a customer contact care who can point you in the right direction to some free and hidden benefits that might already be part of your insurance plans. Things like gym subsidies, money for taking online healthcare assessments. I even know a few friends who made like a couple $100s last year just by doing that. And also programs like tobacco use cessation and nutritional counseling could be part of what you're already paying for as part of your insurance premiums. You can also lean on your organization's employee assistance program. So if you don't know about that and what they have to offer, go visit your HR office and find out, because they can offer other things like free financial planning and counseling to help you with your financial wellness plans, or legal assistance to help you update your wills or legal documents and beneficiary forms. These are all free and cost-effective ways for you to take advantage of all the benefits that your organization has to offer. So in the comments, why don't you tell us what benefits you might be using that others might be able to benefit from? You can also leave your comments here, feedback, suggestions, ideas for other kinds of topics for the next segment, or reach us on social media. And as always, you can always email me at mika@govloop.com. Thanks so much for tuning in.